Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the key and tempo of a song in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity application on your PC. Once the app launches and you can see your audio project, you'll need to select the portion of the track you want to modify. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the specific part you want to change, or if you want to adjust the entire track, simply double-click on the audio to select it all. This selection determines which part of your song will have its key or tempo adjusted. Now direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on Effect. This menu contains all of Audacity's audio processing tools. Once the menu opens, hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo. A submenu will appear showing you different pitch and tempo modification options. From this submenu, select Change Pitch. This tool allows you to shift the key of your audio up or down without affecting the tempo. A new window will open with various controls. Navigate to the Pitch section, and below it you'll see two drop-down menus labeled From and To. Click the first drop-down menu to select your starting pitch, then click the second drop-down menu labeled To on the right side. This is where you'll set your target pitch. You can also fine-tune your adjustment by clicking the small up and down arrows to incrementally adjust the pitch until you reach your desired key. Before committing to the change, click Preview to hear how your audio will sound with the new pitch. This lets you test the adjustment before applying it permanently. If the sound is exactly what you're looking for, go ahead and click Apply. If you're not satisfied with how it sounds, feel free to adjust the pitch again using those arrows, then click Apply once you're happy with the result. Now let's move on to changing the tempo. Click Effect again in the top toolbar. Hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo once more, but this time select Change Tempo from the submenu. This tool lets you speed up or slow down your audio without changing its pitch. In the window that appears, look for % change. You'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the tempo of your track. Move the slider left to slow down the tempo or right to speed it up. Then click Preview to hear how the tempo adjustment sounds in context with your audio. Feel free to explore and adjust the slider based on your preferences until you find the perfect speed for your project. Once you're satisfied with how the tempo sounds, click Apply to finalize the change. And that's it. You've successfully changed both the key and tempo of your song in Audacity, giving you complete control over how your audio sounds. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.